Hey guys, welcome back to Rhino Pips FX. Today we're going to show you how we made over £11,000 on this fantastic trade. Again guys, we are only using our trend panel, which is on your left, right top left there. We are using the 1 hour time frame on this particular occasion. Coupled with that, we are either buying from support going towards resistance or selling from resistance going towards support. So in this particular occasion, you can see we have a blue arrow in the middle there. We are currently on a support line going towards resistance, and we are literally buying. It's straightforward. The 1 hour time frame is currently buy. Yes, the 4 hour does say sell, but in the interim we are buying. We have a nice bullish candle there just on that support line, pushing right up towards resistance. So our aim is to try to take profit very close to that resistance line that you can see up there. Again, we do have multiple trades on at the moment, but the strategy is the same. We use our zigzag trading strategy here with the alerts that tells us if we are on a lower high or a higher low. We use our trend panel as a confirmation. We use our moving average, which is in the orange line that you can see up there. If that's on a support, then we are buying as a confluence. But if it's obviously above price, then we are particularly selling. But again, we do use our confluences. We just don't jump into trades here, guys. We have to use confluences to make sure that the direction that we are buying or selling is actually correct. If you look right on the box there, to your far right, you can see that we are already in about £4,000 profit. There is an arrow, blue arrow, pointing to that box if you don't know what box I'm talking about. And what I've also done, guys, is I've actually highlighted the direction. If you can see the blue shaded area there going towards resistance. Again, this strategy is pretty straightforward, guys. We use our trend panel to let us know what direction the market is in, what direction the time frame that we're going to be using is currently in. Is it bullish or is it bearish? Now with that, we also use our zigzag patterns as well, our in-house zigzag pattern with a break of candle strategy, and of course we also use our support and resistance lines. And coupled with this, guys, it gives us a higher winning ratio. You can't just buy, you can't just sell. You need confluences to confirm that price is indeed going that way. Using higher time frames, for example, is a very strong way of making sure that you are definitely moving towards that direction. If your 4 hour time frame is bullish and your 1 hour is bullish, the chance that the price is actually going to push up as a buy. As you can see in that box, guys, we are thousands in profit. Again, this is a no-brainer. It's not something that takes years to learn. You can pick this up in a week. We offer this course that will show you exactly what to do. Very affordable, guys. It's very straightforward. We like to keep things very simple, very idiot proof. So again, we have our trend panel that comes with the actual course for free. We have our indicators, our zigzag indicators in-house that comes with the course for free as well. But let's just going back to the actual screen here. In that blue shaded box, you can see how we have a green bullish candle that's really pushing up at the moment, really pushing up, and we are now over £11,000 in that box. And we decided to close most of the profit out because we have our daily target. That 11,000 has completely gone past our daily target. I'm very happy with the profit, and I'm going to take my profit. You do not have to wait to get right to the top to take your profit. Your daily profit could be 1,000, it could be 2,000, it could be £500. My daily profit is about £6,000 per day, and this completely exceeded that. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the actual trade. I can see price is really pushing up there, and I've taken most of my profit. I've banked most of my profit now, and it's just to let price run a bit more, push up a little bit more, and I will just take my entire profit. Do bear in mind, guys, that this is actually a live trade. We don't do any silly trades. You do get a lot of gurus online that will tell you about strategies, but you never see them trade because it doesn't always work. Our strategy is pretty straightforward. We are always trading from support to resistance, resistance to support, green lines to red lines, red lines to green lines. Very straightforward, guys. We just need guidance in terms of direction to trade. And that's what our trend panel, in-house trend panel, does. It tells us what direction the market is moving in. If you do have all 5, 10, 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, all in sync, and that's a very strong signal to either buy or to sell. If they're all buy, then it's a fantastic signal to buy. If it's all sell, then it's a brilliant signal to sell. We are just obviously on the 1 hour today, and we are just buying. It's just from one green line to one red line, and that's it really, guys. And from that, we made over £11,000. Very straightforward. One thing I would advise, guys, is not to over leverage. You will see me sometimes do that on here because I am very confident in the trade and I'm very used to the actual strategy. Once you understand the strategy and understand the direction of the market, then you can do this at times, obviously depending on your actual account balance. My account balance is a funded account, FTMO funded, so my account balance is £200,000, so I can kind of push myself a bit and attain a bit more profit, which is what I've done today. This is just one day of trading, but again, guys, you're not going to get every single day £11,000. That's not realistic. Sometimes you're going to walk away with just 500. Sometimes the market doesn't behave and you might lose a bit of money. That's just a game of trading. Now, guys, if you do want to know more about trading, learn to trade, please click on the link below. We do have a course that tells you everything that goes on the screen as we're speaking right now. If you have any questions, please let me know. But in the interim, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, share. This is one of the easiest strategies there are for trading Forex. It's almost like a game. It's not, you don't need brain surgery for this, guys. It's pretty straightforward. Just get into it, start to trade, and change your life. Change your life today, guys. It's pretty straightforward. You don't need thousands every day. Just £300-400 a day can change your life. So click on and change your life today, guys.